Are you looking for a new job or are you looking for a change in your career? Then this video is for you. Hello friends, this is Ganesh Nayak and I help finance professionals to enhance in their career and become a better version of themselves through a lot of trainings and development and mentoring. And I'm back with my capsule video on career, and today I'm going to be talking about 5 simple changes that you can do in your CV to enhance your chances of getting into that new role. The first change that you can do is create a CV which is a one-pager CV. A lot of working professionals, they try to incorporate in their CV all the activities that they have done, and this leads to having a CV of 3 or 4 pages. My dear friend, that is not useful because people who are looking at your CV, especially the HRs, do not have time to go to the entire content. Hence, it is always advisable to have a one pager CV which should clearly highlight your previous work experience, your career goals, your skill set, your interest, your hobby, and your educational background. And there are a lot of online one pager CV platforms available where you can create your CVs, like there is Nova Resume, which you can use. The second important change that you can do is create a CV which should highlight your skill set. A lot of people who have already done certifications, international certifications like CFA or FRM, are not highlighting it on the right next to their name. Also, if you're having a online certification related to Python, R, financial fundamentals, financial modeling, make sure that those skill sets are clearly highlighted at the top or at the right start of the CV, which should be noticeable by the HR or anybody who's looking at your CV in the first go. Okay. Third most important thing is, do not highlight processes, things which are very specific to your current role, because those processes, technology or system might not be applicable to the new role or new employer that you are looking out for. This reduces the interest of the person who's looking at your CV and makes your CV irrelevant to that employer. Fourth important thing that you can do is use simple and relevant words. A lot of my students who are currently doing reconciliation as a part of the process, so we suggested them to reincorporate that word and change it to a control function word. So instead of writing reconciliation, you can talk about control function. This helps to not only change the perspective of what you were doing, but it also helps the employer to understand that you have a very good understanding about the role, and it makes them relevant. It makes the activity relevant to their own function. To try to change the wordings that you're using in your CV and try to make it more specific to the current role that you're applying. Okay. Try to correlate your role with the numbers. Numbers are very, very important. Suppose if you are a part of the control functions and you want to highlight your skill set, you want to highlight what you have done for the organization, you can talk about the reduction in errors, the reduction in fraud in numbers or in percentage terms, so that the employer can clearly identify that you are able to measure the activity that you are doing, and if you are able to measure it, then you will be able to succeed in that, and hence it makes your CV more relevant to the new employer. These are the 5 simple changes that you can do in your CV to enhance in your career. We are also helping students and working professionals to grow in their careers. A lot of career guidance. In case you are looking for any such guidance, do reach out to us. We'll try to help you as much as possible. Thank you very much.